Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's sign. Strength, Hermit, and the Fool with Four of Cups. You are working on yourself, Virgo, especially, and it's your card and it's your reading, the Hermit. You are undergoing some transformation. You are seeing everything in detail. It is a major transformation for you, and Strength card. So you are working on yourself. You are taking your control back. Maybe in past you are feeling missed opportunity with someone or something, but then you taking your control back. You are living in the present moment, going with the flow. Yes, it's totally working on yourself, taking your control back. So let's see our reading recent past. King of Wands, Hangman, and Ace of Pentacles. Yes, absolutely, because you are working on yourself. King of Wands energy, you are taking your control back, but you are uh, feeling stuck sometimes. You are spiritually awakening something, like about your relationship, about your life, about your spiritual journey. Yes, sometimes you are feeling stuck. You are getting a lot of thoughts. And Ace of Pentacles, maybe your money is looking good. There is stability in finances. For some, maybe there is no stability. It is two cases. That's why you are stuck, feeling stuck. Then present Page of Wands, Nine of Swords, and Ace of Swords. Maybe in finances it is okay, but in relationship I think there is no stability. So present Page of Wands, Nine of Swords, and Knight of Swords. Someone is rushing to communicate with you, but you are in very less, I mean very deception energy. You are in like anxiety, depression type. Nine of Swords, lot of thoughts you are getting, especially when you are alone. This is not at a post, this is not a good energy at all. This is very deceptive. So someone is rushing to communicate with you. Maybe you both have age differences. So let's see future. Two of Cups, Eight of Cups, and Page of Swords. Someone maybe new entering in your life, that could be your soulmate. It depends on your situation. But maybe you decided to walk away from this connection because you are going through a lot in this connection. Nine of Swords and Hangman. You are feeling stuck when you are in this relationship. Maybe that's why you decided to move on. But someone is returning to you, and lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them, or they are spying on you. For some, children's also involved in this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, 10 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, and 10 of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of drama going between you and your person, but they're thinking right now about 10 of Pentacles, stability. So let's see their current feelings. Ten of Wands. Eight of Cups, Page of Swords, Queen of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. Maybe one person is walked away in this connection. It could be you or your person. But now their emotions are running high. Maybe for some they are overburdened right now. They're feeling restless due to emotions or due to work pressure. It could be anything. But right now they are spying. They're you both. Maybe if you're in separation, they want to take action. They're thinking about to take action. And Eight of Pentacles. So they want to work on this relationship. Now they are thinking about you very seriously and they have high hopes on this connection. So let's see their intentions. Page of Cups, Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. So this time your person taking this relationship very seriously, and maybe in past they hurt you. Now they want to say apology. They are spying on you. They keep tabs on you. And Ace of Wands, they want passionate new beginnings with you. Yes, they're gonna make a move very soon, guys. Still they are very attracted to you if you're in separation. If you're not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, because Eight of Pentacles, it is slow but stable offer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Definitely text or communication you can expect from your person. And for some, children's also involved in this connection. For some, you both live in different cities, countries or states. You both are in long distance relationship. Yeah, there are some issues. Now they have regrets. That's why they want to say apology to you. Yeah, Five of Swords, fighting. And you are taking your control back. You stand by your power, Queen of Wands energy. But there are some issues between you and your person. But you also thinking about them a lot, Six of Cups energy. So let's see mutual. I think you both are juggling right now. You both have to make some decision regarding this relationship, but you both are juggling. You both wishing at the same time. You both are in some confusion state. So holding back, maybe you both are waiting on each other. Who make first move towards another person, that type of waiting. And yes, you both are wishing for this connection. You both want movement in this connection. But you both are juggling, feeling missed opportunity with each other. At the same time, one person may be holding back. But you both are wishing for the same. But they are coming back with an apology. They will make action soon. Right now they are spying on you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Past life connection. I want you back. All I want is you. New love is coming. I'm serious about you. So the messages are past life connection. I want you back. All I want is you. New love is coming and I'm serious about you. True love. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. For some, you both have strong past life connection. Definitely this time they have regrets, they wanting you back. The end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn. So if you are going through tough cycle right now, in near future, definitely the end of a tough cycle. This cycle will be completed in near future, especially when full moon in Capricorn. Let's see another. Have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming about something but you are not seeing any sign or any result, this is the message for you. Have faith in your dreams. Your dreams will come true. So guys, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.